Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to join copper wire without solder. First, we'll cover preparing your wires and selecting the right tools for a secure connection. Then, we'll explore various solderless methods, from simple twist-on connectors to more robust crimp options. Finally, I'll guide you through a step-by-step process for making a reliable join, ensuring safety and durability. There are several effective ways to join copper wire without heat. Twist-on wire nuts are common for household wiring, providing a quick and insulated connection. Crimp connectors, applied with a special tool, create a very strong and durable bond, often used in automotive or industrial settings. Lever-style connectors offer a fast, tool-free, and reusable option for many applications. Let's walk through using a wire nut. After stripping about 3/4 of an inch of insulation from each wire, align the bare ends. Twist the wires together clockwise with pliers, ensuring they are tightly intertwined. Then, place the wire nut over the twisted wires and turn it clockwise until it feels very snug. Give the wires a gentle tug to confirm the connection is secure. Safety is paramount when working with electrical wiring. Always ensure the power is completely off at the circuit breaker before you begin any work. Make sure all your connections are tight and properly insulated to prevent shorts or hazards. After completing your join, it's a good practice to test the connection with a multimeter to confirm continuity and ensure it's safe before restoring power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.